Hello everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing well. In our last two lessons, we've been working with the verb machen in the present tense. In the first video, you learned how to conjugate machen in the present tense. In the second video, we learned how to ask questions with the verb machen. We learned how to ask information questions. So in this lesson, in this video, we are going to cover what is called machen expressions. There are a number of expressions in German. When you add another word to machen, it gives you a new and different expression. So I'm going to give you some examples of machen expressions. The first thing is, remember how to conjugate the verb machen in the present tense. Ich mache, du machst, er macht, sie machen. Wir machen, ihr macht, sie machen, and sie machen. We learn the information questions such as was machen Sie? What are you making? What are you doing? Was machst du? Also, what are you making? What are you doing? And was macht ihr? What are you making? What are you doing? Notice all these three mean the same. The difference is the you that we use. This is the formal you, Sie. This is the informal you. This is the one that you would use when speaking with a friend. And then ihr is the informal plural you. So when speaking to two or more friends or two or more people that you know well. And then this last one here, was macht er? What is he making or what is he doing? Okay, so now let's get on to the machen expressions. So when we add the word das Bett to machen, we have the expression das Bett machen, which means to make the bed. So if I say ich mache das Bett, it means I make the bed or I'm making the bed. Next expression, Kaffee machen. Ich mache Kaffee. I make coffee. I'm making coffee. Ein Foto machen. To take a picture. Notice it's not to make a picture, but in German we use the verb machen with Foto. And when you translate it or interpret it back to English, it means to take a picture. So if I want to say I take a picture in German, you won't use the verb nehmen, for example. You would use the verb machen because that's the expression. So ich mache ein Foto. I take a picture or I'm taking a picture. Next we have Frühstück machen, to make breakfast. I make breakfast or I'm making breakfast is ich mache Frühstück. Geld machen, to make money. Ich mache Geld. I make money or I'm making money. To do homework. Hausaufgaben machen. Ich mache Hausaufgaben, I do homework or I'm doing homework. Ein Fehler machen, to make a mistake. You can tell someone you're making a mistake. Du machst ein Fehler. Next we have nichts machen, to do nothing. Ich mache nichts means I do nothing, I'm doing nothing, or I'm not doing anything. Nichts Besonderes machen, we can add the word Besonderes, which means special. So nothing special, nichts Besonderes. I'm doing nothing special. Ich mache nichts Besonderes. Dasselbe wie immer machen, to do the same thing as always. Wir machen dasselbe wie immer. We're doing the same thing as always. That's just a taste of some of the many machen expressions that exist. Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Bis bald.